You can use the AI Prompt Genius extension to discover, share, import, and use the best prompts for ChatGPT. You can also save your chat history locally so you can easily review past conversations and refer to them later. You can also use themes on the ChatGPT page. Download the AI Prompt Genius extension from the Chrome Web Store. Enter this address in the address bar and press enter. Alternatively, in the Chrome browser, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Extensions, select Visit Chrome Web Store. Enter AI Prompt Genius in the search box and press enter. Click on AI Prompt Genius in the search results. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. The extension is installed. Click on the extension icon at the top right side of the browser's toolbar. Now click on the thumb pin icon next to the AI Prompt Genius extension. This will pin the extension to the toolbar for easier access. Prompt creation page. When you first click on the extension, you will be taken to the prompt creation page. Prompt editor. Using the prompt editor, you can create, edit, and use prompts. Create a prompt. View the demo prompt to get an idea of how prompt creation works. Then click on New Prompt in the upper left-hand corner. New prompt with the name Untitled Prompt is created. Click on the pencil icon to edit the new untitled prompt. The large text is the prompt title. Change it to the title you want. For example, enter travel itinerary. To add prompt text, click in the blank box and enter the prompt. For example, enter this prompt. Prompt variables. Prompt variables are values that change with each usage of the prompt. Place double curly braces around a variable name. For example, in this prompt, number of days and destination are prompt variables. Then when you select the prompt, a pop-up will ask for variable values. You can use as many prompt variables as you had like and repeat prompt variables as many times as you like. When you are ready to save your prompt, click on the save icon or press enter key on the keyboard. Prompt category. Prompt categories make discovering and sharing similar prompts easier. Prompt categories are universal and cannot be changed. You don't have to use categories, but if you share a prompt, you will have to select a category. Click on Category drop-down and select a category. Prompt tags. Tags are essentially custom categories. You can add as many tags as you want. You can add a tag to a prompt by typing the tag in the Enter to Add Tag input box and then press Enter. To add a second tag, enter the tag in the box and press Enter. You can delete a tag. To delete a tag, click on the pencil icon next to the tag input box and click on the tag you want to delete. Move prompts. You can rearrange the order of prompts in the list. Select the prompt and drag the prompt up or down. Filter prompts by category. Prompts can be filtered by category. To filter prompts by category, click on the Filter Category drop-down and select a category. To unfilter prompts, click on the Filter Category drop-down and select all prompts. Filter prompts by tags. Click on the tags you want to filter by. To unfilter, click on the filtered tags you want to unfilter. Action buttons. There are 3 buttons beside the category drop-down: delete, share, and use prompt. Delete the prompt. To delete the prompt permanently, click on the red trash can icon. Share the prompt. Click on the blue share icon to easily share the prompt to Reddit. The prompt will be automatically formatted in the sharing format. Use prompt in ChatGPT. You must be signed in to ChatGPT for this to work. Click on the yellow play icon to use the prompt in ChatGPT. ChatGPT page is opened in a new tab. The prompt is populated in the message box. Click on Send Message to get a response. Discover prompts. You can discover prompts by clicking on Curated Prompts or Public Prompts. Curated prompts. These are prompt templates collected and organized by AI Prompt Genius, which you can use. Browse through the prompts using the Previous and Next buttons. You can search for the prompts using the search box. For example, enter debate. Select the prompt you want to add. Public prompts. Click on Public Prompts, which will take you to the Reddit where you will find lots of shared prompts. To save a prompt from Reddit or elsewhere, highlight the text or right-click on mouse and select Save Text as Prompt. The prompt is added. Name the prompt and then save the prompt. Open chat.openai.com. AI Prompt Genius is integrated in this page. Prompt sidebar. The prompt sidebar allows you to create, edit, and delete prompts directly within the ChatGPT interface. To create a prompt, click on the New Prompt button. New empty prompt is added to the prompt sidebar with the name Untitled Prompt. Click on it. Now enter a name, prompt, tags, and select a category. Click on Save. You can also edit other prompts in the same way. Click on the prompt you want to edit. Make the required changes and click on Save. Delete a prompt. To delete a prompt, click on the trash can icon right next to the prompt. Search prompts. You can search for prompts using the search prompt text box. Collapsible sidebars. To collapse the prompt sidebar, click on the right arrow at the bottom of the sidebar. To expand the prompt sidebar, click on the left arrow. In the center is the AI Prompt Genius interface. All the prompts are listed. Prompt title, prompt, and Use Prompt button for each prompt are listed. You can navigate through the prompts using the Next and Previous buttons. To use the prompt, click on Use Prompt. The prompt is entered in message box. Just click on Send Message to get the ChatGPT response. Compact View. To view just the prompt titles, check the Compact View checkbox. Use Prompt. In Compact View, to use a prompt, click on the prompt. If the prompt has prompt variables, a pop-up will ask for variable values. Enter the values and click on Submit. The values will be substituted in the prompt and entered in the message box. Click on Send Message to get a response. Search prompts. Enter a value in the Search Prompts text box to search for a prompt. To filter prompts by category, select a category in the Categories drop-down. To unfilter prompts, select all categories in the drop-down. Prompt hotkey. You can access all the prompts without leaving the message box. In the message box, type / to access the prompts. Then navigate through the prompts using the arrow keys and click on the prompt you want to use. You can use the / hotkey throughout your conversation and multiple times in the same chat. Themes. ChatGPT Prompt Genius lets you customize the look of ChatGPT. In the left pane, click on Theme Settings. To set a theme, click on No Theme and select a theme of your choice. The selected theme is applied. You can also select a font. Click on No Font and select a font of your choice. Selected font is applied. export chart. You can export the charts using this extension. Click on the chart you want to export. In the left pane, click on export. Select the format you want to download. For example, to export as PDF document, click on download PDF. The chart will be downloaded as PDF. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.